Caring for someone with dementia is one of the toughest journeys, but you don't have to do it alone. I'm Allison Schreier, and my experience caring for my husband inspired me to create Zinnia, a therapeutic streaming service designed to support people living with dementia and reduce caregiver stress. Our research-backed videos are engaging, easy to follow, and they help ease the daily challenges like agitation and anxiety so that you can focus on connection and joy. Available by subscription on mobile and TV apps, Zinnia makes every day a little bit easier. Go to zinniatv.com and sign up for a free trial today. Use the code RESOURCE for 15% off an annual Zinnia subscription.
Here is some really good news. Toni King has worked hard to take the Medicare and You handbook and put it into everyday people language, making it easy to understand. Toni now has a video series that explains how to enroll in Medicare, and here's the best part. While others can charge up to $2,000 to explain Medicare enrollment, Toni's video series is priced at $74.95. Take advantage of this today. Visit tonisays.com, that's TONISAYS.com, and enroll today. This is a special edition of Medicare Moments with your host, Toni King. Hi, Toni King.
How you doing, Jim? And we're going to have fun because we're going to help people save money.
Real money. Yes, real money.
Real money.
Real savings in the year 2025. And every time I do say that to you, though, I want to say in the year 2525. But that's a different song. That happened a long time ago. Anyhow, this is about savings on Medicare Part D. And these are tips from Toni King for you. So these are important. This will be a short podcast, but write these tips down because Toni gives these really great tips. So, Toni, you want to let them know what the tips are?
On October 1st, that's when they release what the new Part D plans are going to be. So all you need to do is go to Medicare.gov and you can find out what the new plans are for next year. Let me tell you, a lot of these prescription drug plans, and everybody's getting their notice right now. A lot of these prescription drug plans, the cost has gone up. The cost has risen. And people are trying to figure out what they need to do. That's what you have to do. Go on to Medicare.gov. If you don't know how to navigate the internet or navigate your computer, get your kid to help you. They know what to do. If I can do it, I promise you, you can do it because it's not that hard.
It's important. You've got to go to Medicare.gov and look around.
That's right. And you want to make sure you pick the first or the second prescription drug plan, because they will control the cost and they show you what's your best option is. And some of the tips that I've always used for Part D is you want to view, number one, what prescription drug plan is best for you. And like I said, go to Medicare.gov to view that. But you know what? People need to sit down with their doctor and talk to them about their prescriptions. See if some of the brand name drugs you can change to generics. I mean, generics that make a big difference, don't you think?
I do think that. And I think another way to look at this too is sometimes sitting down and talking to your doctor is a little difficult. It can happen, but it's difficult. But today, a lot of medical practices have portals and they give you the opportunity to send a message to your doctor. And you can take Toni's tips and say, Doctor, I'm on this medication. Are there any other substitutes or generics that could make it more affordable for me? Correct, Toni?
That's right. And you know what you need to do? Also get your kids in the game. Let your kids help you because they come in at the very end and they get confused as can be. And a lot of doctors give samples. So get your samples. Samples make a difference. Yeah. And if you can, just, sometimes people take something and they're not using it as much. You can keep that drug and just use it when you need it. And then, search different prescription drug programs such as GoodRx, Single Care. And guess what? Amazon now has a pharmacy, and a lot of people are getting their prescriptions at a very good rate through Amazon. And then you've got Kroger, H-E-B, Costco, Walmart, they all have a discount prescription drug program. Who would ever know?
You may have a supermarket in your area, like a Publix, Winn-Dixie, or something like that, that also has it. So it's worth checking wherever you're listening to Medicare Moments to see if your supermarket offers that kind of a plan.
And always remember that with Medicare, it's what you don't know that will hurt you.
Caring for someone with dementia is one of the toughest journeys, but you don't have to do it alone. I'm Allison Schreier, and my experience caring for my husband inspired me to create Zinnia, a therapeutic streaming service designed to support people living with dementia and reduce caregiver stress. Zinnia offers research-backed videos intentionally created for people with dementia, engaging, calming, and easy to follow. Whether you need to ease agitation, create moments of joy, or make daily routines smoother, Zinnia is here to help. Family and professional caregivers use our content to turn challenges into opportunities for connection. Accessible by subscription on mobile devices and connected TVs, Zinnia is simple to use whenever you need it. Because when caregiving feels easier, life feels better. Go to zinniatv.com and sign up for a free trial today. Use the code RESOURCE for 15% off an annual Zinnia subscription.
So get out there. Just don't sit back and wait for someone to bring it to you. And people can call us and email us with what their questions are. Come on, I need some new questions. Send them this way. And my email is info at tonisays.com. Or you can give us a call at 832-519-8664. Or they can go online and purchase my book that will help them with all of their Medicare issues. Don't you think, Jim? That's how you and I met.
That's true. The books are there. And Toni, also your webinars are there. And they're a really great opportunity for you to learn things by viewing Toni's webinars. They're very inexpensive, especially when compared to what other options are out there. Toni's done a lot of hard work to make it very easy for you to understand. So it's info at tonisays.com, tonisays.com. You can visit her website, tonisays.com, tonisays.com. Go there.
And why is it TONI? Because I'm Toni with an I and not a Y, because I am a girl.
Thank you for downloading this edition of Medicare Moments. Toni, back to you as we say goodbye.
I will talk to you later, Jim. You go have a good day. See ya. Bye.
Well, hi, I'm Lori LeBay, and I wanted to tell you about Alzheimer's Speaks, which is another great podcast. You see, my own mother lived with dementia for 30 years, and I felt lost. Did you know every 3 seconds someone in the world is being diagnosed with dementia? Odds are it's going to hit your families too. We want to help you connect to services, products, tools, research, and stories so you can be prepared. Please subscribe to Alzheimer's Speaks on your favorite podcast platform.